Still on land banking, how do I make money, or how do I make more money from a land banking investment? That is what I will be discussing with you today. And in case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Chris Asika. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, click on the bell notification so you'll be notified when we post new videos, and also do well to give this video a thumbs up. Now, how do I make money from land banking? The first way you can make money from land banking is through capital appreciation. And by capital appreciation, I mean your asset appreciating in value. One good thing about land banking is the fact that it does not depreciate. That means if you buy a property for 1 million naira today, by the next year it is certain that you are going to sell more than what you bought it. So if you are doing land banking, it is very certain that the money which you invested in land banking is going to appreciate. Pastor Matthew Eshimolowo once told the story of how he was offered a plot of land in Banana Island for 42 million naira. But as I speak to you right now, a plot of land in the same Banana Island is selling for 1.5 billion naira. That is the power of capital appreciation in real estate. So typically, land banking is just like planting a seed, and you know, if you plant a seed, when it is time to harvest, you are not harvesting the one seed which you planted, you are harvesting in multiples, you are harvesting in hundreds, in thousands. So that is how land banking is. But the best part of land banking is just as a seed. If you plant a seed, of course you are going to harvest in multiples, but if you plant many seed, you will harvest more seed in multiples. So if you want to have a great harvest in land banking, it is very essential that you plant many seed as much as you can. But then you don't have to leave your land to lie fallow while you wait for your capital to appreciate. You can still do more with your land. Another thing you can do with your land is to farm on it. You can give your land to somebody to farm on your behalf, or if you want to, you can also farm on your land. That is one way that you can make money from your land while you wait for your capital to appreciate. You don't have to allow your land to lie fallow for the years while you wait for your capital to appreciate. You can also farm on that same land. The next thing you can do to make more money from your land is to add value to your land. You can add value to your land by getting the right document for your land, getting a complete document. If your property doesn't have a C of O, you can go ahead to process a C of O for your property. Of course, a property that have a C of O will sell higher than a property that does not have a C of O. So if you buy a property and it does not have a C of O, you can add value to that property by getting a C of O for that property. Another way you can add value to the property is that you can decide to fence your property, put gates and lock it. If you like, you can also decide to get a security personnel to be monitoring your property. So look for a way to add value to your property. A property that you add value to will sell more, will sell higher, and you're going to make more money from a property that you add value to than a property that you just leave fallow. The next thing you can do is to lease out your land. You can lease out your land to farmers, or you can lease it your land to people that are looking for an empty space. You can lease your land out to them while you wait for your property to appreciate. Then when the property is ripe to sell, instead of selling, you can decide to do a joint venture in your land. You can get somebody, you can get a developer who you are going to go into an agreement with, that they will develop while you share the proceeds that is coming from that property with the developer, instead of selling your property outrightly. Or if you have the money, you can develop your property by yourself. When you develop, you put it out for rent. So those are some of the ways you can make money from land banking. If you have gotten value from this video, please go over to the comment section and drop a comment in the comment section. And if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do it to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell notification so you'll be notified when we post new videos, and also do it to give this video a thumbs up. Till I come your way next time, my name is Chris Asika.